Hey everyone! Welcome to Four Wheels Empire, and today, we're tackling the dreaded P0128 code. If you're seeing this code on your car's dashboard, it means your coolant thermostat is stuck open. Let's dive in and see how to fix it. The coolant thermostat regulates the engine's temperature. When it's stuck open, the engine takes longer to reach optimal operating temperature, affecting performance and fuel economy. Common symptoms include poor heater performance, sluggish engine, and decreased fuel efficiency. While the check engine light is the usual giveaway, you might also experience engine overheating, engine running cooler than usual, poor fuel economy, difficulties starting the car. OBD2 scanner optional, but helpful, multimeter, socket wrench set. Replacement engine coolant temperature sensor. Consult your car's manual for the right part. Rags, optional, coolant if you plan to top up or flush the system. Check the code. First, use your OBD2 scanner to verify the P0128 code. You can also reset the code here, but it might come back if the problem isn't fixed. Visual inspection. Pop the hood and follow the coolant hoses to locate the ACC sensor. Check the wiring for any cracks, corrosion, or loose connections. Look at the sensor itself for any damage. If the diagnosis points to a bad sensor, it's a relatively inexpensive and straightforward replacement. If you have a multimeter, you can test the sensor's resistance based on your car's repair manual. With the engine cold, the resistance should be within a specific range. Remove the thermostat. Locate your fixed system's breaker box and shut off the power to the furnace or air handler. Alternatively, you might find a labeled switch near the thermostat itself. Most thermostats simply pull off their base plate on the wall. There might be a latch or a button to press for release. Refer to your thermostat's manual for specific instructions, if available. After the fix, clear the trouble code from your OBD2 scanner and start the engine. Check if the problem is resolved and the check engine light stays off. Important safety reminders: always consult your car's manual before attempting any repairs. Never work on a hot engine. Let it cool completely before touching the coolant system. If you're uncomfortable with any step, take your car to a qualified mechanic. Conclusion: by following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and fix the P0128 code. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only. If you're unsure about any step, seek help from a professional. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below if you had any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more car repair tips.